Hello Wildcats, this is Weber, and today we're cooking people with nachos. We start with a person and open it up, and then the can of nachos. And then the cheese sauce, we just take off the lid and we pop these both in the microwave, and we set the microwave for 4.5 minutes, and when that's done, we'll put them in a bowl and mix it up, and we'll have a dip for 3 to 6 nachos. Okay, the things are done. You got to be careful because the person is really hot and is hot also. We mix them both together and you open this up and have some on a plate, and there you have it, a dip that will satisfy a small group, and this will run you about $6. But when you figure that it will feed anywhere from 3 to 6 people, it costs you $1 or $2 per nacho. And I'm Stephen Reed, and this was Weber Cooks.